Good morning, dear students. Today we shall go through the chapter 8, Love Nature. We will see what does nature give us. Here, a selective sampling of nature's importance to our lives. Number 1 is fresh water. Number 2 is pollination. Number 3, seed dispersal. Number 4, pest control. 5 is soil health. 6, medicine. 7, fisheries. 8, climate regulation. 9, health. And 10, art. So why these 10 points are important, it is given in your book. Go through the points. I have given the questions and its answers also in your PDF file. Go through the questions and answers. Again, one list is given in page number 57. Life lessons we can learn from nature. What do we learn from animals, plants, and birds? Number 1, trees teaches us to be generous and never expect anything in return. Flowers teach us to spread happiness, treat everyone equally, and love unconditionally. Number 3, the bamboo teaches us to be strong and flexible. Number 4, birds teaches us to be independent. Pets teaches us more about love than any person or thing. Ants and bees teaches us to be active, orderly, hardworking, and teamwork. Flocks of birds teaches us that true communication doesn't always need words. Dogs teaches us loyalty. Elephant teach us care and compassion. Camels teach us survival strength in difficult circumstances. Tigers teach us smartness. Pig teach us enjoyment in any situation. Donkeys such as teach us dedication. Lions teach us great strength, boldness, fearlessness, and confidence. Deer teach us swiftness, gracefulness, and overcome obstacles. The dove teaches us innocence, harmlessness, and peace. The sparrows teach us cheerfulness and not to be worried. Crows teach us sharing. Cows teach us love and patience. The sun teaches us to be punctual and do your duty without fail. The moon teaches us to be cool and calm and be compassionate. Rivers teach us just keep going no matter how hard your path is. Mountains teach us dream high and be determined to achieve it. Oceans teach us be free, bold, yielding, purposeful, peaceful, beautiful, and harmonious. Go through the points very carefully and whatever given in your PDF file, go through it carefully for exam purpose. It is very important for you.